Let's fix your Cookidoo filters. Did you just buy a Thermomix and you just created your Cookidoo account? Then I'm 80% sure you need to fix your filters. Want me to help? Let's do it! When you open a Cookidoo account for the first time and you say that you live in the US, the account is set up automatically to show only the recipes that have been created in the US. And trust me, you don't want that.
Yep.
You will be missing recipes from English-speaking countries like Australia or UK, and you will be missing many other recipes made in other countries in English as well. For example, if you want to make tzatziki, you need to see the recipes written in English but made in Greece. In order to fix your filters, we just need to go to your profile. If you're on your phone, click on the round icon on the top right, then click Preferences, and then scroll down all the way to Default Filters. If you're on a computer, click on the round icon on the top right, then choose View Profile, and then scroll down all the way to Default Filters. Here you have a few preferences, but the most important part is that you choose your language. In my case, it's English and Spanish. And then here, in Country of Region, you see how it says US? That's the issue. We need to check it off. By checking it off, it's like choosing all countries of region. Now you're going to see all the recipes made in English and, in my case, in Spanish, anywhere in the world. See, before when I had checked the US, if I made a search of shepherd's pie, I was getting 3 results. When I removed the US, then that's when we get the real deal. This happened to one of my customers. She watched my video Portuguese bread, but when she tried to make that recipe, she wasn't able to find it in her Cookidoo account. See, if I check US only, the Portuguese bread doesn't come up, even though the recipe is written in English. Now, when I uncheck US, here it is. Ooh, let's see how many results I get when I search all recipes made in the US in English. You see, less than 3,000. And when I search all recipes made anywhere in English, ta-da! 12,000. See, as of today, you just unlocked more than 9,000 recipes thanks to this little tip. And since Cookidoo is adding more and more recipes every single month, this number will increase for sure. Okay, I hope this helped you. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If your consultant sent you this video, then please give them a call right away. If you don't have a consultant, I'm here to help you. Please email me right here. Thank you so much.